Woohoo! This Parc Naturel Régional d'Armorique in Bretagne that we are cruising in our Brittany's Base tour is a dream for bikers. Winding roads through those lush forests and rolling hills. Welcome to another crazy ride and join us in ride 3 of our Brittany's Base tour where we are cruising this spectacular area in Bretagne. Hi, Muriel and Johan here, your online guides to the ultimate European motorcycle adventure. Our ebooks, ready to ride GPX trails and video guides are your tickets to your own epic self-guided motorcycle tour. And it's all free because at Crazy Rides we think that the fun of motorcycle road tripping is meant to be shared. And today we are taking you on another adventure going north of Quimper, our central point, as the third and last ride of our Brittany's Base tour here. That covers some 240 kilometers, 150 miles, and we're gonna explore the more eastern part of the Parc Naturel Régional d'Armorique, as we did the more western part in ride 1 of this tour. And we should be getting some breathtaking landscapes and winding roads and charming villages. So we are very ready to go on a nice scenic ride. So let's go crazy! Well, that was already a really nice part of the ride, and we're not even in that nature park yet. But our first stop is here in the village of Gourin, surrounded by those rolling hills and forests already. For if you want to have a coffee, maybe at the Boulanger. As we are heading north, we are now officially entering the Parc Naturel Régional d'Armorique. And from now on, the biggest part of our ride should be going through those forests and rolling hills, and we should be getting the scenery of dense woodland and open moorland with nice twisties to keep us entertained.
We have added a stop here on the Place Aristide Briand in the picturesque village of, and I hope I pronounce this correct, Huelgoat, in the heart of the nature park, as we are sure that you will find a spot to park and to have lunch here, but this village is known for its mystical forest surrounding it, with caves and boulders spread around. If you're in for a true stretch of the legs, you can take a walk down to this Moulin de Chaos, this cascade created by the Mill Dam, and take a ride just in front of it to the Roche Tremblante, the Trembling Rock, and that's one of the boulders that you can supposedly move with just a gentle push. Well, this is a serious crazy walk. Okay, so it says that it is a narrow 90 centimeters ridge and it can oscillate slightly if a little pressure is applied, but of course you must position yourself in the right place. Take a good look. One of the angles of the rock is eroded. Put your hands against it at this point and push so as to make the rock tremble. At the foot of this angle, the trampled soil testifies to the thousands of people who have come and tried to move the boulder. Trembling rock! Superman Johan! And there is this crêperie if you want to have lunch here instead of in the village. Merci!
Well, we really enjoyed this stop here in Huelgoat with a little crazy walk and a nice crêpe complet. But we are ready after this stop to explore the park on our bikes again. And another bike parking if you need. Just down to the lake reservoir, I think. We already knew because we've been riding in this park in ride one of this Bhutanese Bay tour as well, but this park really offers some nice riding. And well, we still have the south part to go still. before we get back to Quimper. But that is gonna be after our last stop of this ride here in Sizun, if I pronounce it correctly. And Sizun is just another, again, charming town in the Finistère department of Bretagne. And we added a stop on the Place, I forgot the name, but it's next to an old church, and there should be a Café du Centre. See, church, Café du Centre. Wow, what a way to end our Brittany's Base tour here. We have to be honest, no base in this ride, but we really enjoyed this ride. And you can enjoy it too, so don't forget that you can head to our website, add this ride or any other ride that you want to do to your free account, and then you can download the ready to ride GPX files with all the stops and ebooks with all the information. So you can enjoy it yourself. And if you haven't watched that video yet, we also have a video on what to do in Quimper, the central point of this Brittany's Base tour. And that will be in the middle of your screen if you want to keep going crazy now. And then, well, we hope that you liked this video, and if you did and want to help us spread the word, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell as well, and then we will see you on our next crazy ride.